The world doesn't care about your excuses. It doesn't owe you any success, and it doesn't hand you out any respect. You either earn them or you get left behind. Because life isn't designed to pamper men, it's built to test them. And most, they fail. The hard truth most men refuse to hear, but most accept, is that you're either a man who commands his life or one who reacts to it. There is no in between. That's why today I'm handing you the code. I've been through it all. I've been cheated on by girlfriends who didn't respect me at all. I've been addicted to drugs and alcohol, wasting my life away. I've been unable to take care of my parents when they needed me the most, and I felt the deep shame of not even being able to take care of myself as a grown-ass man, but yet my parents. And now, in just 3 short years, I became a Dega millionaire, developed unshakable